Spinal cord stimulation study is bringing new hope to patients with paralysis.
New at 5, researchers are giving people who couldn't walk a chance to move.
After a 2017 motorcycle accident, Michael Riccardi had complete loss of voluntary movement below his injury. But a recent spinal cord stimulation study has changed his life.
Just to do a simple shower without crutches, I can stand up and do a shower. With the walker, I'm free. I can walk wherever I want.
According to the study published in the journal Nature Medicine, he's one of 3 people who took part in the trial and are back on their feet again. Each participant had an electrode device implanted on the spinal cord. The electrodes receive currents from a pacemaker implanted under the skin of the stomach. The researchers could use a tablet to then send electrical pulses through the pacemaker to move the participants' muscles, but they only regain voluntary movement in their legs while receiving the stimulation.
It's very exciting.
Adele Field-Fote is director of spinal cord injury research at Atlanta's Shepherd Center. She says right now there are few interventions available to help restore motor function and says this study brings hope.
This shows that there's a lot of potential for combining stimulation with training within a day. I mean, not taking the long-term training that typically these types of approaches have taken. Within a day, they were able to get functional movements.
The study's researchers are now hoping to do a larger-scale clinical trial in the U.S. If successful, they estimate it'll take up to 4 years for the technology to become available to those who need it.
Wow. Researchers say the FDA has approved what they're calling a breakthrough devices designation to expedite the process of making the device commercially available. This designation would also ensure coverage through Medicare if larger clinical trials are successful.